Can Priyanka Vadra be above the law? Narendra Modi government's decision to slap a notice on Priyanka Vadra, the daughter of Congress working President Sonia Gandhi, to vacate government bungalow number 35 in Lodhi Road has created a new political storm. The Union Urban Ministry has given Priyanka 30 days time to vacate the bungalow, which was occupied by her family 23 years ago. It is located in the most elite area in the national capital, where retired high-ranking army personnel as well as the judiciary officials reside. The government bungalow was allotted to her as she enjoyed the Special Protection Group (SPG) cover as daughter of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. What makes a good case for eviction is the fact that Modi government had changed in the rules for allotment of government accommodation in 2015. As per the new rules, only SPG protected are eligible for government accommodation. Before 2015, even those with Z+ security were entitled for government accommodation. Obviously annoyed Congress reacted sharply and termed the Urban Housing Ministry's decision as vindictive and cheap act only to embarrass their leaders' family members. He even claimed that Priyanka is emerging as a challenger to Yogi Adityanath in Uttar Pradesh. This is what the party's chief spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewal has to say.
मोदी जी, आपका और आदित्यनाथ जी का विचलन भरा तरीका पूरा देश जानता है, क्योंकि प्रियंका गांधी जी उत्तर प्रदेश में सक्रिय हैं और भाजपा की सरकार के कारनामों को बार बार उजागर करती हैं। अब तो सरकार इतनी गिर गई कि प्रियंका गांधी जी के मकान को खाली करवाने का नोटिस दे दिया। प्रियंका गांधी इंदिरा गांधी की पोती हैं, राजीव गांधी की बेटी हैं। न प्रियंका गांधी और न कांग्रेस नेतृत्व इस प्रकार के फर्जी नोटिसों से डरने वाला। एक नहीं 100 मकान खाली करवाइए, परंतु इस देश की आवाज बनने से आप हमें रोक नहीं सकते।
But the BJP denies any politics in serving notice to Priyanka, but implementing the existing laws effectively. Ever since Modi-headed NDA government came to power, it opted to implement all urban housing ministry rules by letter and spirit. BJP spokesperson and former Union Minister Rajiv Pratap Rudy defended his government's act and claimed that the dynasty rules have gone in the country. This is how he made light of Congress charges.
Priyanka ji has enjoyed 23 years and now the decision has been taken that she has to vacate because she is no more SPG protected. But having said that, the rules are the same for everyone. Dynastic democracy has come to an end. It seems it is a reality now. So this dynastic democracy which we lived earlier has come to an end, it seems.
Though the security cover was removed from the entire Gandhi family, only Priyanka can be made to vacate her bungalow. Her brother Rahul, who occupies 12 Tughlaq Lane bungalow, can occupy a government accommodation as a member of the parliament. Also, that bungalow has been under Lok Sabha pool since 2004. Congress President Sonia Gandhi has been allotted the 10 Janpath residence for her lifetime. The Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs had allotted 10 Janpath to Sonia Gandhi as widow of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in 1991. Since the lease conditions of the Type 8 bungalow, the highest category of bungalow in government accommodation hierarchy, specify that the residence is for lifetime, Gandhi can occupy the house even if her SPG cover is taken away. In fact, the BJP government has not spared even forced to vacate another former Prime Minister PV Narasimha Rao's family members. They too held back the building after his death, claiming for several years, stating that they have plans to convert it as a museum. But Modi government said no. Similarly, even Umar Abdullah, former MP and Chief Minister, was asked to vacate the building he was occupying till recently. This is MS Purti for Orange News 9 TV.